All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be a recap for the wind ending on May 1st of 2020. Actually had a pretty decent week. Had a lot of really good EOM throughout the week, as most of the people in Stat know. Most everybody that I'm aware of was making money this week. So, I mean, it was a really, really good week. Everybody was hitting their objectives early, which is what we want to do. The way that I trade, the ideal time to trade in the morning is up until about 11 a.m. Central Time, which is 12 a.m. Eastern. And I always like to hit my objective within the first 2 to 3 hours. And then it picks up later afternoon going into the evening. So I had no losing sessions this week. First trades, 88%. Only had one session when my very first trade out of the gate was a loser. I know a lot of my students are starting to see the benefit of that very first trade, and they're having great success by putting on some size on that very first trade. So, great week after all. And also on the percentages. Now, the percentages, surprisingly, still kind of a little low on the Euro US. Now, these are what I call the naked stats. Now, this is only for the PAP. When I'm in the live trading room, okay, we are trading mainly the PAP pattern. I have a total of 5 different patterns. And I personally am trading the PAP, the PAP, only because I think it gets very difficult. I trade 4 different pairs, and it's very difficult to track all of them at the same time. So I always feel I do much better by sticking with one pattern. It doesn't matter. There's no pattern that seems to be better than any other pattern if you stick with it and you're consistent with it. I just like the PAP pattern because it gives me a lot more opportunities and I get a lot more setups. And I believe making money on a daily basis requires that you have opportunities. That's why I like the 5-minute binary. So nonetheless, if you are a short-term trader and you have the time to spend 2 or 3 hours every day in chat or in trading the markets, I think 5 minutes are the best way to go. So, but nonetheless, stats for what I would expect on the PAP were pretty much in line. Like I said, a little bit low on the Euro. I expect the Euro US to be a little bit more in line with the Aussie US, but as those that were trading this week know that most of my focus was on the Aussie and the US yen. And primarily on the Aussie, I did a lot more sizing on the Aussie than I did do on the yen. And I did trade a little bit on the euro, trade a little bit on the pound, but most of my trading this week was on the Aussie and the US. Now, for those that are new, you can see that I'm on I just completed day 482. That is 482 consecutive trading, live trading in my chat room with my students, calling out my trades. And when I hit day 500, 2 things are going to happen. I'm going to stop trading live in the chat room. The reason I'm doing that is twofold. Number one is I'm starting, because of the popularity of my program, I'm starting to get a lot more distractions throughout the day, and it is starting to interfere with me being able to focus on my trading. The other thing is, because of that lack of focus, I am not devoting enough time working with my students and helping them along the way and making sure they're identifying the setups, why the setup is occurring, and so forth. So at 500, I'm going to stop trading live in the chat room. I'll still be in the chat room during my normal hours. I will personally continue to trade, but it won't be in the chat room. So that's the way that I decided to go ahead and do it. Also, at day 500, the price of the core package is now going to be going up. It's going to be going up quite a bit. So the reason for that is I have now, I estimated close to 10,000 trades now. My strategy does work. Once you understand the pattern, you understand why it's not only why it works, but why it will continue to work. Okay, and the way I'm thinking is there's a lot of skeptics out there. If you're not convinced after close to 10,000 trades, then you're just going to be skeptic. I think a lot of people end up buying programs, they get burned on them. I completely understand that. Some people have been burned so many times that no matter what you offer them, they're going to be skeptical. I'm not here to prove anything to anybody. I was here to show that it works, and I have demonstrated that in my live chat room for my students. And at that point, after 500, I think I'm done with that. So if you're not convinced, then you're probably never going to be convinced. And the other thing, people that are very skeptical, the problem with being skeptical is because even if something really does come along, they're not going to be able to trade it, because as soon as they have a loss, they're going to think that everything is falling apart, and they're going to go right back into that skeptical mode, and they'll never be a good trader. And I think that's what makes why very few people are really good traders, because the good traders don't give up. They see the logic in something, they believe in it, which is a big factor. You have to believe in what you're being presented. No indicator out there is going to give you confidence that it's going to hold up. If you're an indicator trader, I promise you, you're not making consistent money. Indicators don't work, folks, and I'll keep saying that. I don't know of any professional trader that I know that are actually making consistent money or using indicators. They're all pattern-based, and they're all folks that watch the daily action. They get a good feel for the action of the market, and that requires time and dedication and focus, and there's no easy way around it. So that is reality. But nonetheless, if you're skeptical and you're a skeptic, don't buy my program. I would suggest you save your money and don't buy any program, okay? Because I don't need skeptics. I want traders. I'm looking for people that want to be taught how to trade and want to be consistent traders. And I've already been able to get a lot of folks off and running, and they're trading on their own and then doing extremely well. And those are the kind of students I'm willing to, I want to work with. I don't want to work with skeptics that as soon as they have one or two losses, then they're questioning everything. It's just, I just at a point in my trading career where I'm not here to do that. Okay. So anyhow, that's where we are for the week. Had a great week. Also, my daily setups. I'm getting ready to do another video on the daily setup. So what I did is, the reason I went to dailies, now as you know, I've always been a short-term trader. I've been trading now for 39 years, and I've always been short-term. I mean, I've always been a day trader, never held positions overnight. But I know these patterns are universal. They work in all time frames, and there's a lot of people that just don't have the time to sit in front of the screen all day, and that's fine. I understand that a lot of people have jobs and they don't have the luxury of being able to do this full time. So another way of going with that is to put a trade on at night and let it just go and expire the following day. And I've demonstrated that. So what I did is I opened up a separate account, and last month I started it off with $500, and I'm going to do a video and I'm going to show you where that live account is after the first month. Okay, so to show that the patterns that I trade are universal. Now I do say I have a total of 5 different patterns. What I did in that account, because it is a small account, $500, I didn't trade all 5 of the patterns. I only traded 1, but I traded it consistently, and I took every single trade, never missed a trade, and you'll be able to see the results on that next video. Okay, so the dailies do work, and once again, if there's people out there that want to apply to a 20-minute or they want to apply it to a 4-hour, they can do that. I personally haven't done that. But I think that between the 5 minutes and the daily should be enough for most people. Okay, so that's going to be coming out. So anyway, like I said, when I hit, I'm only 18 days away here. Once I hit 500, the cost of my core package will be going up, and it will continue to go up. Now, I don't have plans when the next increase will be, but it will be an increase on the core package on day 500. Okay, so we got another 18 days to go. Also, with the core package once again explains everything except the crystal ball. Core package also comes with a free week in the live chat room. Also comes with a free week of the daily setups. So you could track both. And then if you want to stay, it's $50 a month in the live chat room as long as you purchase the core package. And you can stay in the live chat room as long as you want. It's $50 a month, which most people can usually hit that within a day. So I'm very underpriced compared to what most people are offering. So it's a great value, but at some point, like everything else, it gets a point of oversaturation, and so the way to control that is to raise the price. So that's kind of what I'm going to do on day 500. So also, if you want to just kind of try it out, I do have a trial chat room. You can get into the trial chat room. You will be able to you will be able to see the charts. There will be some arrows on those charts. So on the setups, you also will have access to the daily setup. So for $50, it's a great option. So you're going to get the daily setups every day. They come out every night, and you're also going to have access to the 5-minute charts, and you're going to be able to see the arrows. What you're not going to get is an explanation of how those arrows are derived or what the setups are. But I do have a short little video that tells you exactly how to trade the arrows. And so if you just kind of want to try before you buy, that's a really good option. All right, so you can be convinced, you can see that it works, and then if you want to understand exactly how to do it on your own, you can jump in and purchase the core package, and that explains exactly how everything is, how I come up with all the setups and so forth. So anyway, very good week. Expecting another really good week coming up. Still a little low on my euro, so I'm waiting for this euro really to pop up, kind of where I was last week in terms of percentages. I mean, I should be up, like the Aussie, and so euro's getting ready. Euro's getting ready to start really hitting it. Yen's doing well. Aussie's doing well. I'm still gonna focus on the Aussie and the euro this week, leaning more towards to the Aussie than the yen. But I'm definitely going to be focusing a lot more on the Aussie and the yen this week, and I will do a little bit of light trading on the euro and the pound. And of course, as always, I do use my money management techniques in terms of adjusting size and so forth. And those members that have watched that video and aware of how I do it, I suggest continue to do that. That's how you're going to get, you're going to start having some tremendous gains in here. And when markets are like this, as they have been, it's a great time to get a little bit more aggressive, because these markets heat up and then they cool down. And when they heat up, that's when you want to get a little bit more aggressive. And the more you trade these binaries and the more you follow these markets, you will get a feel for that. Okay, but you're not going to get a feel if you never come into chat. You're never going to get a feel unless you put in some time. Like any other profession, you're not going to be a professional unless you practice, and it's the same with trading. So anyway, kind of a long video. I didn't mean to get so winded on it, but that's it. If you have any questions or comments, you can always go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, and shoot me an email. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Please keep all your questions. If you have a number of questions, please keep it down to one email. I'm just getting inundated with email, and I have people send me 10, 20 different emails, ask me one question, then a second question. I just can't. I don't have the time. I wish I did. I just don't have the time to answer all those emails. So if you have questions, please try to include it all in one email, and I'll get to it as soon as I possibly can. I promise you that. And then also, if you want to keep up with the daily results, where I send out my daily results, you'll see the stats for the day. And you're also I usually put a chart in there. I'm also going to be doing some videos with that as well. Just go to Instagram, Pro Strategies, and you'll be a sign up for that, and you'll be able to keep up with that. And then also, if you're interested in the weekly updates, where I also send out not only the results for the whole week, but you also have a link there where we can actually look at the results for the daily setups. That is going to be in the weekly update. And to get the weekly update, you have to go to binaryprostrategies.com, provide me with your email address, and we'll get you on the list to get those weekly updates, okay? That's it. I hope everybody have a great week. Really looking forward to the month of May. I know things are really going to start heating up, so I'm always excited kind of going into the summer here, because things I just tend to have some really, really big weeks. So looking forward to that. And I hope everybody else does well. And once again, stay disciplined, stay focused. And if you want to do this as a professional, you can do it. You just have to put the time in and practice, practice, practice. But this is an acquired skill, okay? And everybody has the ability to get to that skill level. We're not special. It's just that the traders that are consistent are the people that have put the time into it, and they don't give up until they become successful. So that's it. Everybody have a great week, and we will talk to you at the next update, which will be next weekend. Y'all take care.